In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rebuild your search index on Outlook. If search in Outlook is missing messages, returning incomplete results, or just feels slow, rebuilding the Windows search index is a reliable way to refresh how your computer catalogs email content. I'll show you two straightforward ways to start the rebuild directly from Windows and from within Classic Outlook. First, let's do it from Windows. Start by opening Control Panel. In the Control Panel window, use the search box in the top right corner and type indexing. When you see indexing options, go ahead and select it. This opens a window that shows which locations Windows is currently indexing. To proceed, click the Advanced button. In the Advanced Options dialog, make sure you're on the Index Settings tab. Look for the Troubleshooting section and click Rebuild. A warning will appear to let you know this process can take some time, and search results may be incomplete while it runs. Click OK to confirm and start the rebuild. Now let's walk through the same rebuild from Classic Outlook, which can be convenient if you're already there. Open Outlook. Click the File tab in the upper left corner, then choose Options. In the Outlook Options window, select Search from the left pane. Under Indexing Options, click the button labeled Indexing Options. In the new window that appears, click Advanced. Again, in the Troubleshooting section, click Rebuild, and then choose OK to confirm. A few things to keep in mind while the rebuild runs. This is a background process, so you can keep using your computer and Outlook, but search results may not be complete until indexing finishes. The duration depends on how many files and emails you have and how fast your system is. If you're on a laptop, keeping it plugged in and awake can help the process complete more smoothly. You don't need to watch it, just allow some time for Windows to recatalog your data. Once the rebuild finishes, Outlook search should feel more accurate and responsive. If you ever notice search issues again, you can repeat these same steps. Rebuilding doesn't change your emails or settings, it simply rebuilds the catalog that helps Windows and Outlook find things quickly. That's it. Thanks for watching.